So I want to make the labor item field required in the employee time activities field. That way, when we create a new time activity, well, this is a bad example because Maxwell Baker has a default labor item, but if he didn't, that wouldn't be required. And then when you release it, it would tell you that it has to be there. So to do that, I'm going to create a customization project. I've got one here just called workflow. I'm going to start by adding the time activity screen. Now, once I've added that, I can go into this area. Now, sometimes you could do this in the workflow area. However, if you go to the workflow in this particular case, you'll notice that workflow is not associated with this screen. So I'm just going to go to the fields area, and I'm going to add the field. This time it's the activity field, and we need to find the labor item. I could search for it, but let's look here. And I'm going to set required to true. Once I save that, I can publish my customization. And once my project's been published, I'm going to have to refresh this screen. So I'm going to go do that. Keep your eye on the labor item area. And it's now a required field. So even if I delete this,